Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or remove people in a group conversation in Google Chat on PC. So you can open the Google Chat apps and you can select spaces and select the group. So if you want to add people, just click add people and you are just going to search for people with email address. For example, um sorry, click add, and to remove you can click the name of group at top and you can select the people that you want to remove. Select three dots and select remove from space, so the people has been removed. So that's how you can add or remove people in group conversation in Google Chat. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.